has a teeny tiny baby fiddler crab in his hand that we just caught. Hi, little crab. You're cute. It's a teeny tiny one. Let me see. Does it have a big chilipet on it? I don't know what it is. Oh, it's so hunting for more fiddler crabs. It's awfully muddy down there.
I'm going on the other side.
Do you see anything, Sissy?
Yeah.
What is that?
Following one.
You're digging for one? Did you catch it?
Like a stick.
Here's one of the cypress trees. And you can see it's getting new little...
I caught one of the big ones.
Oh, you caught one? Let me see. Oh, wow. Are you holding it by the chilipad?
Yes.
The chilipad is the claw. Look at that, Evie. Oh, look at it. Good for you.
Sissy, I caught one of the...
So anyways, this is a cypress tree, and you can see it's getting all these teeny tiny new needles. They lose their needles in the fall and winter, and then they're getting new needles. So it's a conifer, but it loses its needles. And they're very soft right now. They're not bristly at all. They're soft and very sweet. They're pretty color green. Evie has another one. Oh, that's a female. See how small its claws are? Or it's a male without the claws. Hi, fiddler crab. They eat detritus. It's very exciting. They're part of the marsh ecosystem. I wonder if this is salt water. It must be fiddler crab. Oh, it's a tiny baby violet. Ah! Here's a view of the port with the big container ships and the bridge. What river is this? The Wando? I think it's the Wando River. Then here's the marsh. You can smell the pluff mud. Smells good. And all these beautiful oak trees growing over here. Tree, you're in the way. There's the root ball.
I found it.
And then it's laying down. And it goes all the way out over the water, and it's still alive. Some of the roots are growing so that the tree is alive. And look at this tree right here growing into the river bank. The creek bank, really. And it's a big, beautiful tree. It's gorgeous. All this Spanish moss hanging down. Woods! Go, Evie! That's not a good angle. Woo! All the shadows and the sunlight were in my way. Woo, Emerson! Don't take off your shoes, it's gross.
Wait, they fell.
You did on purpose. The swing! Woo! Go, Gigi! Push her higher!
Higher.
Push her higher! Woo! There you go. Evie, she's big. She's going to knock you over.
Good job.
Swinging pendulum.
That was a good one.
Woo! Go, Violet! Do you want me to push you? Here. And you can see
Big one.
they're unraveling right there. Look at that beautiful fern. Right there. The little baby ones. And the big ones? Where?
The big ones are all the way over
Oh,
here.
wow. Oh, look, here's some brand new fern leaves. Where are they? There they are. They're unraveling. They're unrolling. And some new leaves on the trees here. On the bushes. So pretty.
Mommy.
And if you hear that noise, we're underneath 526. That's the bridge we take to get to school every day. Look at this one fern right here. It's just one little stalk. It's all curled up. They call it fiddleheads when it's all curled up like that. The state flower of South Carolina. Hello, Jasmine. No, it's not honeysuckle. Honeysuckle's the one you can eat, but it smells good. So nice. So pretty. Look inside of it. Nice. It has 5 petals. Very pretty. Boys, there's a turtle in the middle of the street. What kind of, is it a snapping turtle?
It is.
It's a snapping turtle. We're gonna move it from the street so it doesn't get run over. Oh my gosh. Okay, Gigi, she's touching it. She's a little nervous. Are you gonna take it to the pond? Ah! Hold on. There's a turtle in the street.
Go,
Come on, turtle.
Come on, go.
Come on, turtle.
Go.
Come on, turtle.
Evie, hold still. We're trying to get him to go in a straight line. Go.
It might be a girl. We don't know what it is. Come on, turtle. Come on, turtle.
There you go.
It's all covered in mud. Keep it going. Keep it going to the pond. Oh no. Keep it going to the pond.
Stay behind it. There you go.
Yeah. Look at its spiky tail. So gross.
It's all slimy.
It's a very
Get
cool
my
turtle though.
fingers
Ew,
from touching it.
look at you. It's all muddy. Hi, turtle.
Poor guy's
Stop.
gonna be really tired after this jog.
I know. You're doing a good job, turtle. You're very
going.
cute.
Keep going. She's like, I'm thinking about giving up now.
I think it might be a girl. We don't know what it is. Could
Come
be a
on,
boy or a
girl.
girl.
Come on, girl.
We'll just call it Sweet Turtle. Come on, Sweet Turtle. Look at its little legs in the grass.
Now we can put that number 2. Number 2 push it so it goes straight. Make it go straight.
Oh, we're getting misted by the fountain.
So scary.
Yeah, that's a psycho.
Yeah. Stop screaming because it makes it stop.
All right.
Or her. Or her.
For her. We don't know. Make the turtle stop. It makes Sweet Turtle stop. Honey, what are you doing? Why are you going into the
Because we're
grass?
staring at it. It's
All
brown.
right. Oh my goodness.
My turtle.
It's adorable. Where'd it go?
This place with the alligator in it.
Violet, you just scared it.
I
It was
found something
marching in the right direction. Keep going, turtle. Keep going, turtle. There it goes.
He's like,
There it
oh,
goes.
snap.
Yeah, oh snap, it's a turtle. Oh gosh, it's gonna climb, Mom. It's gonna be so cute. It's trying to. It's so confused. Maybe give it a little, oh look at it climbing. Good job, turtle. Good job, you're climbing. Oh, baby.
Oh no.
Look at you go. The pond. Keep going, turtle. I want to see it slide down the bank. It's gonna be so cute. Keep going, turtle. Keep going.
Hey, Mom. That is number 2 time we rescued the turtle.
We have rescued 2 turtles. This is a different kind of turtle. The other one was a sea turtle. Look at you go, turtle!
Go, turtle.
Woo!
Go.
It's going down the bank. Like your girl. It is. It's a direct drop off. It's a cliff in turtle terms. You're right, Mom.
No.
We're going to see how it does. It's assessing it. It's looking. It's like, what should I do in this very moment? Come on, turtle. We believe in you. You can do it. Girls and boys, I'm going to show you the drop off. Uh-oh. Is it on the wrong side?
Nope.
It made it. You're amazing, turtle.
Go in the water. You wouldn't be able to swim.
I thought it had flipped over. Look, it's entering the pond. Oh, my word. Look at it. Are you going to keep going? Look, it's breathing. Taking a little break. Ew, the mist of the dirty water is hitting me. Look at its little turtle track right there as it enters the water into the unknown. Go, turtle, go. Swim.